Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme will be planter, and I showed you the set that we're focusing on last week, but you'll see it again. And then next week's theme will be telephone. And then at the end of the video, I want to show you a little bit of Happy Mail as well. All right, so anyways, this is the stamp set I am using today, which is called Royal Garden. And that was from the Scrapbooking Queen. And I think I'm using this one. I'm not sure, but I think it's that one that I'm using on the inside. Oh, and also something about Bloom. Bloom where you are planted. That's the other one. And I'm also using this Gemini die set, and I'm using these tiny little flowers. And then from My Creative Time, I'm using this 3.75 by 4.75 rectangle doily dies, and that was released a few months back. And I'm also using this 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons, I want to say, and I'm using this die here. And then this is the plant dies that I'm getting from My Creative Time as well. And that's what we're focusing on this week. And here goes this beautiful little card. I really liked how it turned out. I thought I would add some tiny flowers on mine. And I also added some little bitty tiny gems in there. And love how that looked. I thought it turned out so pretty. I did add some gems on the side here. And this is like a wood grain piece of paper that I have that sitting on. It says Bloom Where You Are Planted. And then there goes that My Creative Time embossing folder. And then there goes the inside. When you plant the seeds of friendship, nurture it with love. In time, it will grow into something beautiful. And I added a little flower down there, and I thought that turned out so pretty. So that is my creation for this week. Make sure you join in on the ladies. Their links will be down below. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you my little bit of Happy Mail. Right, so Nancy contacted me, and I clean forgot about that. She had like a giveaway or something on her channel, and I actually was chosen to be the recipient of that giveaway. And then she sent a little bit of extras in there. And so I just want to take the time to say thank you so much, Nancy, and I love everything. So I think I'll be keeping everything. I know I had mentioned if there was something that I didn't need, it was okay to pass it on, but I like everything. Anyways, look at these little dangle charms on there. I just love those. It's a little heart, a couple little feathers. Then it has what is that? Head up gorgeous. And then you are fabulous, I believe it's what it says. But anyways, look at that. That is so cute. It's adorable with these little flamingos on there. Couldn't think of the name of them. But anyways, and look at those little gems there. Really cute there. And then she also has this little mermaid that was in there. And it's a stencil. So I can use that. She also has this little die set, stamp and die set from Stamp Market. Stamp Market has a little leaf in there, and it says thankful. I'm not sure what set that's from, but anyways, have that. Anyways, so she sent me some papers. Sorry about that, I had a telephone call. But she sent me some papers, and here goes those. And so these are really pretty, and I'll be able to use these in my crafting. There goes the back of those. It's like a wood grain. And I love, love, love polka dots and stripes, and so this was perfect. And then on the back side of these, there are a little bit larger polka dots. So I love those. Then she also sent me a Doris embossing folder. Snowflakes on there, so that's really pretty. This Gina Case stamp set. Love that. Oh, and this is the card. I forgot to look for the card. Here we go. Haunted for Life. And then she apologizes for taking a while to send this to me, but it was okay because I clean forgot about it. So, but anyways, I thank you so much for sending this to me. Really, really like everything. Look at that. And this is actually like a crackle something or other. I don't know how she made that, but that's really cute. And then a few more papers here. I think she created these herself. I think there's one more here. Nope, maybe not. But those papers there, and then these are the actual items that I had won, and I do remember these, and they are just adorable to me. I was thinking that maybe I could Mod Podge this onto a what do you call it? Canvas, and then there goes the other one. Just too cute. I actually want to see if I can use my Copics for these. It's college rice paper is what it is. So hopefully I can do that. And then she also sent me this other stencil. It's like a basket weave. So really, really nice. Thank you so much, Nancy. I really, really appreciate this. Everything is just so cute. So I really like everything. And then don't forget, everyone, to use those links down below to visit the ladies. I'll also have Nancy's link down below. So if you're not following her, make sure you go over there and subscribe, because she has a lot of things going on, as well as Gloria and Lisa. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.